All right, everyone, this is just a verbal version of the answer key for at least the first few, again, so you can hear how these answers came to be. If you don't need this recording, feel free to just check the answers and correct. But if you're starting to notice lots of incorrect answers, especially for the first two that I'm about to record an answer for, then come back to this video. All right, so I pre-did some of the work to keep this recording short. Using the skills you mastered in the prior level, in level 3, anytime you have a neutral atom, the number of protons equals the number of electrons. And you know the number of protons because you know its atomic number, because we said this is calcium. So I have sped that up. The new part is the electron configuration, the fact that we can't just put them into these orbitals. Instead, we have to say, okay, well, we're going to use this zip code-like idea to describe where the probable location is. How close is it to the nucleus, which is the first number in each of these little three-part things. Lower the number, the closer to the nucleus. In what shape would we find its probable location? That's the S, P, D, or F orbital, and then how many electrons are in that shell of that shape. So calcium, we need to find the home or the zip code of 20 different electrons. If we use the shortcut method of trying to find, of assigning the zip codes, we're essentially going to count all the way to this spot on the periodic table, because that is where calcium is. So we will start up here at 1s, 1, 2. So 1s2. Then we go 2s, 1, 2. 2s2. Got to keep counting because we're not yet at our final spot. We go 2p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2p6. Then we go 3s, 1, 2. Then 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4s, 1, 2. 4s2. Shortcut, we have to just backtrack a little bit to the last noble gas. The noble gas that is closest but smaller than the one we had. So again, we're here. Well, we have to go back. That's not a noble gas. Here's a noble gas. And if you look at a full periodic table, that noble gas is argon. So what we can do is we can say argon, and that accounts for, I will temporarily put these right here, that accounts for all of those electrons. Then we just put in the additional ones after that, which is 4s, 1, 2. Argon 4s2. All right. Next one, a little bit faster, is nickel. So finding nickel on the periodic table. Nickel is the third to last transition metal in the first period. So we're going all the way out to here. So 1s2, 1s2. 2s2, 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3s, 1, 2, 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, we're the same as calcium. All of the original electrons are going in the same locations. 4s, 1, 2. It's only when we have more electrons that now we need to find new homes. And you'll notice the weird part that it actually bumps down to the third energy level, or the third shell, when you move into the D block. So 3D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3D8. And argon is still our closest smaller noble gas. So brackets, argon, close brackets, 4s2, 4s2, 3D8. All right, those are the two that I'll include in this video. If you want more than that, please do reach out to me. I am happy to go through more. Otherwise, I will complete the rest of this off video, and you'll be able to see the rest of the answers in the answer key, the full answer key. All right, everyone. See ya.